In the past decades, the concept of the metaverse has transcended its roots in science fiction to become a tantalizing prospect for the future of human interaction, entertainment, and work. With advancements in virtual reality (VR), augmented reality (AR), and blockchain technology, we find ourselves on the cusp of a new digital frontier. The metaverse, often described as a collective virtual shared space, is poised to revolutionize the way we live, work, and play. Today in Software's Land, we will explore how the metaverse might look in the near future and the implications it holds for society. The cornerstone of the metaverse is an immersive virtual reality experience. In the near future, VR headsets and AR glasses will become ubiquitous, enabling us to seamlessly transition between the physical and digital worlds. These technologies will allow for more natural and intuitive interactions, making us feel as if we are truly present in a metaverse. Just as the internet has evolved into a vast ecosystem of websites and applications, the metaverse will comprise an array of interconnected digital realms. These realms could range from expansive virtual cities to serene natural landscapes, each designed to cater to different interests and purposes. You might attend a business meeting in a futuristic skyscraper one moment and explore an alien world the next. The metaverse will blur the lines between our online and offline lives. Social interactions will become more authentic as we gather with friends, family, or colleagues in digital spaces that replicate the warmth of real-world gatherings. On the economic front, virtual economies will thrive, with digital currencies and assets having real-world value. Virtual marketplaces and businesses will offer products and services, creating a vibrant virtual economy. Education and professional development will undergo a profound transformation. Imagine learning complex scientific concepts by embarking on interactive journeys through the human body or practicing surgery in a risk-free virtual environment. The metaverse will enable personalized and experiential learning on an unprecedented scale, making education more engaging and accessible. Entertainment in the metaverse will be a feast for the senses. Concerts, theater performances, and sporting events will be reimagined, offering immersive experiences that transcend geographical boundaries. Artists and creators will have new mediums to explore, allowing for the creation of entirely new forms of digital art and entertainment. However promising the metaverse may be, it also presents challenges. Privacy and security concerns will demand careful attention. Balancing the immersive potential of the metaverse with the need to protect users' personal data will be essential. Additionally, addressing issues of digital addiction and ensuring inclusivity for all individuals, regardless of their access to technology, will be vital. The metaverse will bring ethical dilemmas to the forefront. Questions about digital ownership, intellectual property, and the rights of virtual beings will require thoughtful consideration. Moreover, issues related to identity and authenticity will become increasingly complex as people navigate between their physical and digital personas. In conclusion, the future of the metaverse holds immense promise, and its impact on society will be profound. As technology continues to advance, our ability to create, connect, and collaborate within the metaverse will grow exponentially. However, with this promise comes significant responsibilities. We must carefully navigate the uncharted waters of this digital frontier, ensuring that the metaverse enhances human experiences while safeguarding our values, ethics, and privacy. As we venture into this exciting new realm, one thing is certain: the future of the metaverse will be shaped by our collective imagination and innovation.